So I am currently at the kitchen and husband man is the one behind our breakfast this morning. Let me turn the camera so you see our chef in the building. Let me introduce you. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hello.
So what are you preparing for us?
I'm preparing what's it called? Spaghetti bologna.
Spaghetti bologna. I'm going to be showing you guys the outcome of what he's preparing. So in a bit I'll show you the spag and what he's up to. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Hopefully you guys get to enjoy this vlog. Say hi once again.
Hello.
Our chef.
Hi.
So here is the parboiled spag, the shredded fish that he's going to be using. So he's about preparing the stew and let's see how it goes. So we are currently waiting for the outcome of the spaghetti bologna. So here is his sausage. He loves eating this a whole lot and he just removed it from the stew he's preparing. So let's see the next step.
Some stew, the sauce here inside the spaghetti, the parboiled
Spaghetti. Yummy, 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 yum. Yay, this is looking so yummy.
Yes.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now
Yes, my big baby. Yeah, actually my big baby. I have my small baby at my back. Camera is not even showing. My small baby is currently at my back. He's sleeping actually. Okay. So we are here waiting for the outcome of the food. Don't mind my look. I just woke up not quite long and we are currently in the kitchen and man is cooking spaghetti bologna. So hopefully guys I'll show you the outcome. So he's currently serving it and I can feel the taste already. It's gonna be sumptuous. Oh no, I forgot to boil egg. But we move.
We move, baby.
Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this vlog and I'm going to be seeing you in another video, another full video. Actually, I'm going to drag this man to make a video with him. Don't worry you guys, expect content from husband man's son.
A few moments later.
So hi guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the prices of these grocery items here in Ibadan as at October 1st 2022. My husband just got back from the store. I'm just going to be sharing with you the high prices of items right now. This country they carry me go where I don't know. I swear to God, like who does this? Things are expensive right now. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys in a bit. So I have the transaction receipt here and I'm going to be telling you the prices of each and every one of these items. Things are expensive, like things are so expensive right now. So I'm going to be telling you guys all I've got, all I have in the bags. So first of all on the list I have Indomie, 1 carton of Indomie. This Indomie table. This goes for 3,800 naira, like right now. Homo, this Indomie used to be 3,100 naira as far back as early this year. It was 3,100 naira. Homo, now it is 3,800. The last time I got it at the supermarket was 3,700 naira, but now 3,800 naira. And the second thing on the list is, you guys ignore the sound in the background. My baby is right here laying on the bed. So the next thing on the list is a pack of Amstel malt. A pack of Amstel malt is now 2,200 naira, like 2,200 naira. Omo, hey, things are expensive now. And another thing on my list is this Dano refill. This Dano refill is now 1,500 naira. Like the last time I got this Dano refill was 1,300 naira. So now it is 1,500 naira for this Dano refill, 350 gram. You guys, omo, things no be harm. Hey God. So I got this Milo refill as well, 400 gram. This is 1,300 naira. Like right now, current price as at October 1st, 1,300 naira. I got this Trisco as well. This Trisco, I used to hear what's it called, the advertisement on radio stations and all of that. I got 2 of it and it goes for 70 naira per one. I hope you guys can see it. So the both goes for 140. So another thing I have here is I got French fries. I love this French fries. Like this one is not a paid advert. This French fries is a whole lot. Like you definitely enjoy these French fries. It's very, very okay. And this goes for 2,300 naira. 2,300 naira. Okay. Oh. A linon of chicken, and this goes for 2,500 naira. Like it used to be like a kilo. I actually don't know if it's a complete kilo, but we usually get it for 2,500 naira. It's chicken actually. 2,500 naira for chicken. I don't know how much it is now in frozen food. Frozen food that I usually get around Bodija in Ibadan. If you are familiar with Ibadan, there is this frozen food that is at Bodija, very close to Bodija Market, Datola or so. I used to get it. I think the last time I got chicken there was 2,200 naira there, but I got this in the supermarket, and I'm sure they will get money for their generator. So you guys, 2,500 naira for chicken. And another thing that is here is apple. Apple is here. Apple is here is 250 per one. So we have 3 of it for 750 naira. It is 250 per one now. And another thing that is here is air freshener, sunshine air freshener. This go for 200 naira. Oh my goodness, it smells really nice. 200 naira air freshener. And another thing that is here is Nunu milk, Nunu evaporated milk, and we have 2 here. We got it for 600 naira for 2, so that means it's 300 naira per one. So air fresheners in here, GBC air freshener. This I have 2 of it here. GBC air freshener, one goes for 300 naira, 40 gram actually. GBC super romantic gel. It smells really good. I love the smell. So both of it, this goes for 600 naira. And I have another air freshener here, O'Donnell hair freshener, lavender meadows. This goes for 400 naira per one. More things are really on the high price now. So we have granite in here. Granuts. Oh my goodness, let me check who does this. So we have granuts in here. Tooties granuts. What's it called? A bottle of granuts. This goes for 1,500 naira. Granuts. groundnut last one groundnut that was as far back as 2005 or thereabout, 2008, 9, 10. This shouldn't be more than 400 naira, but now we are getting it for 1,500 naira. You don't have choice. This country, they carry me go where I don't know. So basically, this little stuff you are saying that won't last for, let me say, hopefully this will last for about, let me say, 2 weeks. 2 weeks skinny. Aside from the noodles, the Amstel malt, this shouldn't last for more than a week. This is a whole lot. 17,790 naira. This is a whole lot. 17,790 naira. Where will they go? My country, they carry me go where I don't know. So you guys, I just wanted to update you guys the price of grocery items. These are the few things that will last for less than a week, aside from the Amstel mortar, aside from the noodles and the groundnut, of course, and of course the Milo, the milk. This shouldn't last for more than a week. A family of 3, actually, a father, a mother, and a baby. So this is basically me sharing with you guys prices of recent, like latest prices of grocery items here in Nigeria as at October 1st. Some more things are really on the high side. My country, they carry me go where I don't know. Let me go and attend to my baby. I'll see you guys in my next video. I just wanted to show you guys all I've got in a supermarket. Thank you guys. Catch ya in another video.
Stay with it. You don't